Hello guys, welcome back to my vlogs on my YouTube channel. So guys, you all are good. You all are to me blessings. So therefore, I am so good. So guys, and now guys, I will plant that vegetable. So our exam is finished, guys. Mulka exam heck cover. So therefore, I will plant in our fatty field. That vegetable fatty field. So many planting. So that guys already bari guys coming. Therefore, guys planting so have to be planted like that one. So for this season guys planting, so that planting one I am cannot so therefore guys let's see that one is what there, and the big tomato also there. This is the chili, green red chili, green chili like that. And then is guys brinjal, guys see small brinjal channel. So guys see here channel is small one, guys see here, then is guys is small one. So see here, and then I'm now for the big one. And guys see here channel is the budma one, small so nice, guys see. And channel is guys big one. Oh, I am plucking one, no looking in planting. I am sorry, yeah, guys. See, then big guys. See here, this must see. I am one planting, no looking. I am plucking one, no looking. So what we'll do? This one will eat night time already. And then this one, guys. See, guys, kato sa tapanga. Guys, sa tapasam kato. And guys, this one I am this all I making video. So because our exam, so therefore I am cannot make video. So therefore our exam is finished already. So therefore I am making again video. So I am exam time and I am cannot give video. So only one video I think giving. I am exam finish time or not finish time, I don't know, forgot I am. So guys, kata sa tapanga, guys see here not many, so small only. And then guys kata sa tapa one I don't like, but also eating. And also guys, and I am main planting I in here from guys. So guys see here, guys in here there seed one. One is for me. Guys see, this one is what was say. I think you all are knowing already. So I am that much knowing what was guys. This one I am forgot only already. And this one I am knowing. Chance guys the lady's finger one. That lady's finger means that. Guys see here, this one is Wendy. I am knowing, and this one forgot. I am not knowing. And will guys this one plan, and I am good work doing or not doing. So guys please comment box side comment that soft to give that this mud one so soil. So less and good already. Now less other one. This one guys see already, and this one I am planting already become big. Guys first let me make this one, and I will that plant that seed one I am sowing one. So this one is already big, but also we'll do this one. Let's take out already big coming. Guys see this one. What plant guys see? Guys kato sa okoko duzin okoko seed. So guys kato sa okoko ammo diji ammodam ngo lubi okoko ammo duj okoko ammo jin amin dokka orka ammo sam ka. Guys nolta ammo krudem kato yepo dokka som such guys three song okram first will emula yen or four. So guys this one or this one, not this one. Which one have to be planned first? So better guys, I think this one. Guys with this better ground I will first that plan guys Kerala sa kodak gumsin Kerala ngam dolera ampla guys Kerala sam first will lepoy guys. So let's plant start. This one will already keep half. So and another side also will keep. So good already. With this I will keep already guys with this knife. And now plant guys. Guys see here this one I am take out thing. Then is guys will get got. This one in here I will plant. So this one only will plant already guys. And now another, and this one also will again plant another. And guys side. This one is cucumber. So this one I will plant cucumber means deer. So let's plant. here. Very tasty, guys. Summer day I'm eating, guys. This one. This one is a PS. So this one, now plant, guys. And guys, you will also plant. You also plant like this only, like me, guys. Nulu apna sin ngogang kampa lelang kampa season no so some hampa agal esugelam do supamula natural. And guys, eating one two big small no saying, so always eating like this only. So therefore you also, guys, plant like me also, like me plant. And now next we will plant lettuce finger. Look, guys, my hand is already become dirty. Dirty or no problem, guys. Dirty only plant. Guys, see here. This is my sister. Now only just coming in here now, getting see her button in here now, guys. Getting hot, so therefore like this keeping. And manam hi, I'm Toy Barako. Hi. Now we will plant together means she's that much cannot plant, so she will keep. She will not keep, I think already there. Hi. So therefore, guys, see. And now we'll plant popcorn. Here we'll plant so nicely cleaning. So guys, see here that must not be. So and guys, you all are knowing how to. I'm going to plant. Somehow people are not knowing how to have to be plant. Guys, in here, corner side we will like this do, and we will keep this seed like this. And like this, and again in here so like this. And guys, finally already finished, guys. Only just black glass left. And guys, my video is only this much. And how to looking that my planting work, please comment box side, comment, give one. Don't forget one time or so. And guys, my video is only this much. Please look to nice, like, comment, share one, give me one. Don't forget. Bye.